Ureter total 10 inches. 5 inch lies in abdomen, 5 inch lies in pelvis. 5 inch lies in abdomen, 5 inch lies in pelvis. I am just talking about the abdominal now. How do you remember this? The abdominal ureter, both of them are crossed by one artery. Right colic, left colic artery. Right colic artery and left colic artery. Both of them are crossed by gonadal artery. I am not showing the testicular or ovarian, gonadal. Gonadal artery. And both of them are crossed by one mesentery. This side is sigmoid mesocolon. Sigmoid mesocolon. And this side is the root of mesentery. So this you can write as the superior mesenteric artery and the root of mesentery. Gonadal arteries can go like this. Okay. Easy to remember relation: right colic, left colic, gonadal, sigmoid mesocolon, root of mesentery. Posterior relation of ureters, tips of transverse processes. Psoas major muscles. Psoas major, person gets pain due to ureteric stone. Tips of transverse processes. Psoas major muscle. Now आप बोलेंगे क्या याद रखने का? Tips of transverse processes. क्यों? Because actually when you see the X-ray ना, एक transverse process, दूसरा transverse process, and then you see a stone here, you realize it's a ureteric stone. Because exactly along the tips of transverse processes the ureter runs. Most important thing about the ureter you should be knowing, what is the diameter? Three millimeters. आप बोले वो याद रखने का. Because stone up to 5 millimeters can be forcefully 6-7 millimeters. पानी पी के it can go out. Above 1 centimeter, the stone cannot go out. Okay. So therefore you should know the diameter of ureter. जो absent थे उनको सबको बताओ. Message करो. Diameter of ureter is 3 millimeter. 3 millimeter मतलब सोचो. And then they say there is a stone of 9 millimeter. निकल जाएगा पानी. नहीं कैसे निकलेगा? 3 millimeter, 9 millimeter नहीं निकलेगा. Okay, so you should be telling all of this. Blood supply is absolutely in lower areas. It will be by the vesical arteries, upper area by the renal arteries. Many things are there about the ureters. The applied anatomy is the ureteric stone, and the nerves which supply the ureter, they are exactly the same nerves which supply the loin and supply the groin, because they are long. So therefore the pain is from loin to groin. And the patient is dancing on the bed. That is the description of ureteric stone. Renal stones unobstructive कुछ नहीं होता. But when the person gets ureteric stones and that ureteric spasm, this is how the patient will be behaving. Very painful. Give a Buscopan, cyclopam, stabilize the patient. See the size. Size is less, the person has to get operated, because then the kidneys will develop hydronephrosis, back pressure. Okay. And the last short topic, that is suprarenal, which is triangular on the right side, semilunar on the left side. Triangular on the right side, semilunar on the left side. The right side related to IVC and left side related to spleen, stomach, pancreas. Okay. So these are the anterior relations I am talking about. While the posterior relations of both the suprarenals, they almost remain the same. Posterior relations of both the suprarenals will remain the same. That is, there will be kidney and diaphragm. So here, this is kidney and this is diaphragm, and this side kidney and diaphragm. Kidney and diaphragm. Okay. Triangular semilunar. Now this semilunar is not like this, ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा रहता है. मतलब this is the kidney. ऐसा semilunar उसके ऊपर रहेगा. इसके लिए ये किडनी से रिलेटेड है, पोस्टीरियर ऊपर डायफ्राम. Blood supply. This is aorta. Aorta gives inferior phrenic, that gives superior suprarenal artery. Aorta gives middle suprarenal artery. And aorta gives renal arteries, from where comes the inferior suprarenal artery. बाप रे, तीन arteries. Superior suprarenal coming from inferior phrenic, middle coming from aorta, lower coming from renal, because it's an endocrine gland, needs rich blood supply. Venous drainage, right side directly into the, where is the IVC? This side, this side. Right side directly into the IVC, left side into the renal vein. That they have already studied. Go into, same is the truth with testicular vein. Okay. Development. So, the cortex. Cortex it develops from mesoderm and medulla develops from neural crest cells. Medulla develops from neural crest cells. So two different areas develop, and that's about the development. Very important they ask, because developing from two sources. And the last thing, histology. Just it's taught to you already, histology. They will talk about zoma, glomerulosa. So cortex is a different, secreting corticosteroids. Medulla is secreting epinephrine and non-epinephrine. What you should know is cortex secretes on day-to-day basis. Medulla stores. So there will be epinephrine, non-epinephrine granules in the medulla. Cortex no granules. I am not going to go into histology because the separate class is there on this. I am going to talk about something clinical, Gyan. Yeah, if Datta sir sets up this thing, I will give you some Gyan. Bhuj में earthquake हुआ. Then people went for relief work, this and moment relief work वाले लोग पहुंचते हैं वहाँ पे, RSS, doctors for you. So what they do? Government क्या काम करो, आप करो, आप लोग जाके सो जाते. गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स क्यों बाकी इतने लोग काम कर रहे हैं. तो वैसे ही हमारे बॉडी में व्हेन एक्सटर्नली स्टेरॉइड्स आर गिवन, सुप्रारेनल कॉर्टेक्स शट्स डाउन. ये बाहर से आ रहा है हम लोग क्यों कर इतने सारे वॉलंटियर्स. सो देयरफॉर इट शट्स डाउन, doesn't produce steroids. And then when the steroids have to be stopped, the dose always has to be tapered. 10 milligram for 1 week दिया आपने, then 5 milligram next week, then 2 milligram next week. So body realizes its steroid level is going down, I have to start producing. अभी जो absent है उनको आप बताओ कि आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, आपका नाम क्या है? यश। और मैं डॉक्टर भोसले सामने प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ। यश का पेशेंट है, मेरे पास आया और मैं बोला क्या दे रहा था यार, उसका क्या है तो फाड़ के फेंक दिया, मैं मेरा चालू करूँ। तो ये फाड़ के फेंकने से पहले आई हैव टू सी वेदर यश वाज गिविंग स्टेरॉइड्स। So Yash was giving him 50 milligram steroids, and I have torn the paper. Next day, patient is going to shock because body needs steroids for day-to-day survival. Okay. So therefore, steroid dose always has to be tapered because steroids in the cortex of adrenal medulla are produced on day-to-day basis. Let us stop. Thank you so much.